In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a fully functional landing page directly within MailerLite, the powerful email marketing platform that's perfect for capturing leads and driving conversions. MailerLite makes it incredibly easy to build beautiful, high-converting pages without needing any coding knowledge. If you're looking to grow your email list, promote a product, or simply generate interest in your business, this is the tool for you. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's dive right in. Step 1 is incredibly simple. Log into your MailerLite account. Open the MailerLite website. You can find it at MailerLite.com and click the Sign In button located in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password and click Login. Once you're safely inside your account dashboard, you'll be ready to start building your landing page. Now, let's move on to Step 2. Open the Sites section. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your MailerLite dashboard. Click on Sites. That's where all your websites, including your landing pages, are managed. MailerLite's Sites feature gives you a central hub to manage your online presence and effortlessly connect it to your email marketing efforts. Next up, we need to start creating our landing page. Click the Create Landing Page button. This will launch the MailerLite Landing Page Builder, a drag-and-drop interface that makes designing a professional page incredibly straightforward, even if you're a complete beginner. You'll see a blank canvas ready for you to populate with your content. Alright, let's give our landing page a name. Click inside the landing page name field and type in a descriptive name for your page. Something like Lead Magnet Sign-Up or Product Launch Page is a great starting point. A clear name helps you keep track of your pages and ensures you can easily find them later. A little organization goes a long way. Now it's time to choose a template. You'll see a selection of pre-designed templates available in the MailerLite Builder. Browse through them, looking for one that aligns with your goals. For instance, if you're promoting a free ebook, you might choose a template focused on showcasing the ebook cover and a sign-up form. Don't worry, you can always customize these templates later. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to open the landing page editor. This will load the drag-and-drop editor, which is where you'll spend most of your time customizing your page. This editor is designed to be intuitive, so you can easily add and rearrange sections, change colors, and add your own content. Okay, with the editor open, let's edit the headline. This is the primary text that appears at the top of your landing page, so it's crucial to make it compelling. Hover over the headline text and click the Edit button. It's usually a pencil icon. Replace the default headline with your own captivating headline that clearly communicates the value proposition of your offer. Let's continue customizing the text sections now. You'll see blocks of text with headings and descriptions. Carefully update these sections with your own content, using clear and concise language to explain your offer. Don't just copy and paste, rewrite it to resonate with your target audience. Remember, clarity and benefits are key. Now for the visuals. Let's add images. You can upload your own images or choose from the library of free stock images provided by MailerLite. Drag an image block onto the page and then either upload your own image or select one from the library. High-quality images are essential for attracting attention and making your page more appealing. Next, we need to add a sign-up form. This is where visitors will enter their email addresses to subscribe to your list. Drag a form block onto your landing page. You can customize the form fields to collect the information you need. Typically, an email address is enough. It's a best practice to clearly state how you'll use their information. Now let's configure form settings. Select the subscriber group you want to add new signups to. This is important for segmenting your audience and sending targeted email campaigns later on. MailerLite's segmentation features are a powerful tool for personalization and improving your email marketing results. Let's personalize the call to action buttons. These buttons encourage visitors to take a specific action, like signing up for your list or downloading your ebook. Edit the button text and link to direct visitors to the desired destination. Make the button text action-oriented. Download now, get started, or sign up today are all effective options. Time to arrange the content blocks. Use the drag-and-drop interface to reposition the sections on your landing page to improve the flow and visual hierarchy. Consider the order of information. Typically, you'll start with a compelling headline, followed by an explanation of your offer, and then a clear call to action. Before we publish it, let's preview the page. The Preview button at the top of the editor lets you see how your landing page looks on desktop and mobile devices. This is crucial for ensuring a responsive design that looks good on all screen sizes. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a seamless user experience. Okay, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button. It's usually located at the top of the editor. This saves your changes to the MailerLite system, so you can continue working on your landing page. Don't forget to save frequently. Finally, let's publish the landing page. Click the Publish button. This makes your landing page live and accessible to visitors. You'll be prompted to select a URL for your landing page. You can use a MailerLite generated URL, or you can connect a custom domain if you have one. Let's confirm publication. After clicking Publish, MailerLite will automatically go through a few seconds to live the page. You can then open the URL to verify everything works by visiting it in your web browser. It's always a good idea to double-check that your forms are submitting correctly and that your images are displaying properly. And that's it. Your landing page is now live and ready to collect visitors and subscribers. You've just taken the first step in building a powerful marketing asset that will help you grow your email list and achieve your business goals. To recap, we've just created a fully functional landing page in MailerLite, step by step. This process will not only help you grow your email list, but also generates a powerful lead generation tool for your business. As a next step, consider adding some A/B testing to your page to optimize your copy and design for maximum conversions. You can also integrate your landing page with other MailerLite features, like your email campaigns and automation sequences, to create a seamless user experience. Don't forget to save this video for future reference. You can revisit these steps anytime you need to update or modify your landing page. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.